Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a roller coaster of emotions from the mother of Jaheim Coleman, who finally has her son back home. The 14-year-old BB Cook student who was hospitalized after being battered by an older schoolmate will still have to visit hospital due to swelling around the eye. But the teen, his friends and family are grateful for the national support. Giovanni Dennis has this Primetime News follow-up.
It's been 2 nights since Jaheim returned home in St. Elizabeth. 2 nights in his bed, and 2 nights Chantel Goulburn has barely taken her eyes off her son.
I was happy, sad, worried, all of those. I couldn't really explain my feelings. But I was like scared because every time I wake up, I continue to look on him inside of the bed, sleeping.
She keeps checking on him because there's still swelling around one of his eyes and it still hurts.
Still have the bloodshot underneath, black and blue still, and he will have to be in Kingston every 2 weeks for a checkup, and he has an X-brain scan to do.
Because of this, he'll miss school.
He will be out for a while. I'm not sure how long, but he will be out for a while.
The plan is to make arrangements with his form teacher to keep him updated. So, still not back to normal. And Miss Goulburn remembers her screams when she first saw him after the incident. But 9 days after the brutal battering from an 11th grade male student he came in contact with in a line, she's grateful her son is alive.
More than give God thanks. More than give God thanks. Jaheim could have lost his life.
His attacker has been charged and the matter before the courts. Miss Goulburn, in the meantime, is thankful for his friends who helped him.
I'm extremely proud of those boys. Extremely proud. If it wasn't for them, my son would have died. Thank God for those boys. And I hope God continue to bless them.
While we were there, 3 of Jaheim's friends visited. Even though Jaheim has not fully recovered, they're all happy.
You know, some feel good though, so my dog there back and glad to say me and him are part same way from 7th grade them. So I'm glad to say for back, man.
For his part, Jaheim is thankful for his friends. So too for the national outpouring of support.
You know, I feel happy. I feel happy. Thanks, people.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.